This video is a quick introduction to the SFCC library online, which is hopefully particularly helpful for our online students. We want to make sure you have access to as many things as you possibly can. To get started, we're going to navigate to the SFCC library homepage. So from the main SFCC website at sfcc.spokane.edu, we're going to go to Student Tools located at the top, and then go down to the library. We're going to start our research in the left-hand corner. This is probably the most useful box for you as you navigate the library. From here, you'll notice that there's a big box in the middle. This is great for searching content, materials, research related to kind of like physical items in the library, like books and DVDs. You can search for everything, including online resources, articles, for instance. However, sometimes there's an access issue from this particular search feature. If you're looking for easy access to immediate online content, we recommend going to the research databases, which is located when you scroll down the screen. From here, you just want to select a database. Usually Academic Search Complete or ProQuest are good places to start, and log in. If you have questions about logging in or how to use the databases, please see our other videos, appropriately titled Login and Databases. There are other helpful features on this page as well, including the SFCC research guides. These are guides created by content area that will lend you additional research help. So for example, if I'm looking at something like countries and cultures, a librarian has already gone in and gathered different databases related to that topic that we know will have content in that area of interest. So if you're not sure where to start with the databases, going to one of these guides can be really helpful because it kind of gives you a nudge in the right direction of where to look. Another helpful link on our research guide list is our SFCC library workshops. If you are able to make it to campus in person, there's a number of actual workshops that are listed for the quarter. And then there's also a guide created here for every workshop that we've done in person so that you can access online information as well, including slides, videos, handouts, various forms of information that can help you with those topic areas, from in-text citations to developing a research question, annotated bibliographies. It's just a really good place to come and get some extra tips that's going to make that research process easier for you. Another feature on that Start Your Research page that may be helpful is our citation guide. If you go to the SFCC citation guides, these are particularly helpful because they walk you through the steps of creating a citation in MLA, APA, and Chicago, and provides links to other helpful resources when trying to make citations for your research and that final works cited page. If you cannot make it into the library physically, do know that we have a 24/7 chat feature located at the bottom of most of our web pages. This will provide you access to a librarian 24/7, so please feel free to contact us with any citation, research, library type use questions. We're happy to help. From that main home page, other helpful features include the Use the Library link. From here, you get information on our location and hours, borrowing from libraries as well as other libraries, since we can get material from you for other places, including articles. All you need to do is click this Request Materials button and fill out our details. And also note that we have a number of different items that you can borrow from the library. So yes, we check out books and DVDs, but you can also check out camcorders, flip cams, GoPros, hotspots to connect to Wi-Fi, as well as laptops. If you have any questions, please let us know.